Hi, I'm Wei Min Tan. I'm a Manhattan condo broker, and this presentation is about whether now is a good time to invest in Manhattan residential real estate. This is the opening slide, and I like to give some examples. These are all deals related to the pandemic, during or after. The one on the left here is my client's 3-bedroom apartment, and we got this in anticipation of the need for larger size apartments. So this is a 3-bedroom. It has great views, great open views because it looks out to a ball field, and we got this rented out in 1 week. The one in the middle here was negotiated during the pandemic lockdown, and this was negotiated in May of 2020. We got great terms and a great price. This is the view shot from the 12th floor. The apartment is on the 12th floor. Notice that there's a lot of blue sky. It looks out north to the Empire State Building, and this was a great deal. Last year we had to sign on at a pandemic rental rate, but this year the rent is being increased substantially because the demand for rents is just so strong right now as everyone is moving back into New York. Why? It's because companies are calling people back to the office. The one on the right here is a recent deal that closed about 1 month ago, and we rented this one out in 2 days. This is a pre-war condo in a highly distinguished building. We got 10 viewings the first day, and we got multiple applications, and it rented out at above asking price. So it's now a good time to invest in Manhattan, New York residential property. The bottom was between May to July of 2020, and then starting March of 2021 until now, it's been a seller's market. There's a lot of demand. We have limited supply. Why? Because we are at historical low mortgage rates. There's a lot of pent-up demand from last year. Those who were supposed to buy last year didn't buy, and everything got moved forward to this year. There's strong economic recovery. Goldman Sachs predicts 2021 GDP growth to be 5.9%, which is the highest since 1984. In New York, in Manhattan, you see restaurants are busy. There's a lot of people on the streets. There's a lot of vibrancy. The only thing that's missing is that we need normalcy with regards to everyone going back to the office, and then you're going to have even more people on the streets, and the restaurants, the retailers are going to have normal business, if you will, because right now most companies are having employees back at work maybe 3 days a week and not full-time yet. And number 3 is optimism from vaccine adoption. More than 70% of New Yorkers have been vaccinated, so there's a lot of positives going on with regards to the economy as a whole, and specifically with regards to Manhattan real estate. This is the historical price trend. You notice that prices increase for about 7 years or so. Unless there's a recession, it goes down for a couple of years. This was the great financial crisis, and then it goes up from 2017 until 2019. It was a softer market, and then these 3 bars here reflect quarters. This is first quarter of 2021, second quarter, and third quarter. The first quarter here reflects the pandemic deals, so prices dropped from about 2,000 to 1,700, and then it picked up Q2, Q3, and it's because of the pent-up demand, because of the low interest rates. So right now price per square foot is at around 1,900, so it's still lower than pre-pandemic, but in terms of sales activity, it's actually Q3 had the highest sales volume in the past 32 years. That is how robust the real estate market is right now. And I'm referring to the sale market. The rental market is just out of this world. It's just ridiculously hot right now, the rental market. I'm saying that in the context of landlords who are trying to rent out their apartments. Now is the best time. So it's now a good time to invest. I think we are at the beginning stages of the next upcycle. The bottom is over, so it's a matter of whether future buyers would like to get in on this next upcycle. This is a brief bio, and thank you for watching.